Hey guys, Outlaw Longcrafts here, and today me and my dad just got back from smelt fishing. We got a couple of smelts in here, as you can see. So we'll be having smelt for supper and some potatoes, and I'm going to show you guys how to make potato wedges. Alright, I've selected 4 nice potatoes, and now I'm going to wash them. Okay guys, we just got the potatoes washed. Now I'm going to cut these into some potato wedge shapes, I guess. Alright guys, we got our potatoes cut into little wedgies here, and now I'm going to have to get a bowl of some sort. So you got a couple holes in it. It wouldn't quite hold water, but we're gonna put some salt water in there and let the starch soak out of these, and then season them, and then dry them off, and then put them in a pan with some oil and fry them. And the smelt will be cooking. Smelt over there will be cooking with flour and butter in the cast iron frying pan. Alright guys, now we got our salt water. We're gonna put the wedges in the salt water, and that helps take the starch out of them. And you want to change your salt water to soak in there for I think like 10 minutes or so, and then after that you change it out fresh salt water, and that also helps give them a nice little salty taste. But when it's done, I also like to sprinkle a little bit of table salt on them too. Alright guys, the potatoes are soaking in salt water for their first dip in the salt water, and then we'll change the salt water in 10 minutes. But while I'm waiting for that, I was going to start cleaning the fish. And here's the fish we got. Obviously this one's mine, the biggest one. The only fish I got out there the whole day was this one. It was the biggest one we got out there the whole day, and the rest were my dad's. Alright, so I'll clean these and be back in a minute. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes, so I'm going to take all these guys. I'm going to put some paper towel down over here, set them all there, and let them dry out for a minute. Change you to put the new fresh salt water in here. Let them sit there for about 5 minutes. Put them back on here with fresh paper towel, and put all different types of seasoning on there. And then warm up some cooking oil and start frying them in here. And we'll have some delicious potato wedges. Alright guys, we just got the water changed out from fresh salt water. So now we're going to put the potato wedges back in, and this time just for flavor, for another 10 minutes. And we'll go down and finish cleaning the fish. Alright guys, we get the fish all cleaned. Alright, get the potato wedges soaking. This should be done in a couple of minutes. Get the frying pan ready for the fish, frying pan ready for the potato wedges, and we're also having fiddleheads. 10 out of 10. Alright, we get the fish in some flour, and we're going to shake it, and after that we're going to shake it, and then after that we're going to shake it some more. And then, and then we're going to put it in some oil and fry this up some fishies. Alright guys, the potato wedges just came out of their last bath in the salt water, and now I get all different types of seasonings. I got some Italian seasoning, seasoned salt, pizza seasoning, and salt and pepper I'm going to put on these, and then put right into the oil over here to cook the wedges. And we're just waiting for the oil to heat up, and the fish are all ready to go. They're all covered in flour to go in there, so just hold on. Alright, the seasoning's all on the potatoes, and now we're just waiting for the oil to boil. Or what you do is to find out, make sure the oil's ready, is to take a little bit of the salt water out of there in your fingers, like that, and drop it in, and if it like sizzles and boils and evaporates off, that means the oil's ready, and we'll put the wedges in, and the fish in. Alright guys, the fish go into the oil. Whoa, we got 2! Woo. Did you get that one, the little one? Did you?
No.
Who got that one? I wonder if the oil's ready for the potato wedges. Whoa!
It's a flash fire.
Yeah, I think it's ready. Alright, the fish are cooking. We get some wedges in, and we're cooking now. I can't quite do them all at once, so I'm going to have to do half them, and then half of them, and yeah, should turn out good. Alright, the smelt don't take very long to cook, so they're all done, and we're going to have to wait until everything's all done, and then we'll have to re-warm them up again, which kind of sucks, but that's what you got to do. Okay, we got some of the potato wedges are getting to be done, so I'm putting the ones that are over here done, and the way I can tell is they're done. So they're both kind of golden brown on each side, and you can stick a fork through where they're not like a potato is pretty hard like in the center, but when they're like that they get nice and soft like a French fry. So when they're done that, they go right over here and put a little bit more salt and pepper on them. But as I'm taking those out, I'm putting the last ones of these in. See, that one just went in, and these ones are almost done. Just half right here. And the fish are all done, and then the fiddleheads are done, so we're just waiting on the potato wedges. We should be all ready to go. Okay guys, so the potato wedges are all done. We got some cold oily fish. Aren't you happy about your cold oily fish?
Mm.
And some fiddleheads, and now
Still hot.
the oil? Yeah, I just turned it off. But yeah, so we get the wedges are all done. I just finally get them all off, and they're soft in the center, and squish them, and they're nice and crispy on the outside, the way they're supposed to be. So, oh, you're gonna heat them back up? Well, that's a good idea. Well, alright guys, we'll have the plates all served up in a minute. The fish just go into the oil again, so they're nice and hot. Ow! Yeah, they're hot. And I had a couple wedges, so you might notice a couple I'm missing. I just couldn't help myself, and they're really good. Nice soft center like a French fry, and nice crispy outside. So we'll let them cool down, and then we'll start eating. Get everything done, now we're gonna start eating.